Hello, John Cameron with padprinters.com. I'm going to show you installing a new or old style pressure tower on a Micro 90. So for one color, here you have a plate in the bottom of the Micro 90, and there are numerous locations in here where you want to have to mount your pressure towers. So for the one color, obviously you're going to use the center hole, which is right in the middle, and you have two other ones out here. For the two color with the 90mm cups, you would use the two outside holes. So the way that this works is you have a dovetail on this top of there, and you have this little top block that's going to slide in here. Then you have a spacer like that, and 17mm metric screw. Those go together, go in through the bottom like this, and then that's going to thread right here into that center hole. Now that dovetail gives you some front to back adjustment, which on some TOSH machines you need to have for different size ink cups. We're setting this up for a 90mm cup, which is standard on this machine. So the first thing I usually do is I look at the front of this plate right here. You can see I can move this in and out because it is on a dovetail. I want to make it so that it's flush. When it's flush, it should be pretty much in the right mechanical position to center your cup on the plate. Then you need a 17mm open end wrench. This one is low profile, as you can see, so that you can get up here to tighten this screw. I get it, usually go most of the way by hand because it's easy enough to do so if you're not left-handed. And firm that up, and you've mounted the pressure tower for one color on a Micro 90. Obviously, if you switch to two colors, what you're going to do is drop it one out of here. You'll get another tower with your cliche support and accessories for upgrading the two colors. You're going to move that to the outside hole here and install the other one in the outside hole on this side. That will give you 4.5 inch pitch, or 4.5 inches between the center of your ink cups for the two color. So that's where you install a new generation or integrated pressure pin and pressure tower. Thanks.